Pakistan is laying foundation for a knowledge-based economy driven by innovation in three pivotal domains: artificial intelligence, education, and health, in which we look forward to forging useful partnerships. My dear friends, artificial intelligence is more than a trend. It is a force revolutionizing economies, societies, and industries. At this critical juncture, Pakistan is not just embracing artificial intelligence, we are committed to excelling in it. Our mission is clear, and it is to encourage young minds to redefine the boundaries of AI, training skilled engineers and data scientists as the backbone of Pakistan's AI growth, and equipping our workforce to harness the power of AI across industries.